Hello students, good morning. Students, I am sharing with you some videos related to third chapter, that is my introduction to Microsoft Office. This chapter we have started few weeks before, but as you all know that we are lacking in our syllabus and and we are only getting one period in a week for conducting a lecture, so we are lacking back in our syllabus. So for that I am recording this video and sending it to you. Do watch the video carefully. I am covering the further points in this video. It is very beneficial and it's required for future that you should know that how Microsoft Access how Microsoft Access works. Okay, so uh, last time we have started with our point, that is working with tables. We have completed database and database management system, Microsoft Access we have completed. Today we are going to see working with tables. This point I have already taught you in last session. Now we are going to see it in little bit advanced. I have covered one point from this, that working with tables, that is creating table in design view. This point I have covered, but we are going to see further points as well of this chapter. Okay, so again I will show you that how to create a table in design view. The first point I am again going to show you. So let's see it practically. For that we have to go in our Microsoft Access. Microsoft here, this is MS Access. Okay, so I am opening it, my Microsoft Access. For creating new database we have to open a blank sheet. So I am clicking on blank database over here. Just say here create, if you want you can use here name, like I am giving here name as trial again, and create. Okay, so my database is created. Now I want to create my create table in database using design view. I have already taught you, just मैं आपको एक बार फिर से कर रही हूँ. मुझे क्या करना है, इसके अंदर एक टेबल बनाना है. तो टेबल में कैसे बना सकती हूँ इन बाय यूजिंग डिज़ाइन व्यू. For that what you have to do, you have to go in a create tab. Which tab? Here near home you can see a create tab. In create tab, just go in table design. Just go on a table design button, and here in table group you will find table design. Click over here on table design, and here you will get to see the three fields, that is field name, data type and description. Okay, so here as I have given last time field name, I am giving here field name as a serial number. Then data type, as I told you that every data has some kind of some type, like if for serial number we can only assign a number. So for serial number, so here I have given field name as a serial number. Now number means you know that 1 2 3 4 are the numbers that we have to assign for serial number. We cannot take text means the alphabets. Okay, so text is not allowed over here, so we have to set a data type. मतलब अगर serial number आपने कोई field का नाम लिया तो आपको number data type assign करना होगा. अगर आपने कोई और field का नाम लिया, जैसे कि आपने name लिया, तो आपको text data type assign करना होगा. या serial number के लिए आप auto number भी data type assign कर सकते हो. So these are all the data types that you can assign to your field name. Okay, so here I am assigning a auto number. This already I have taught you last time. I hope that you are understanding it again. Just this one is the revision for the first point from working with tables, that is creating a table in a design view. So this one is again a revision. Okay, so now next part over here is a description. Description contains what? Description के अंदर क्या आता है? Whatever field name we are giving, there is a little bit description. There is information about that field name in the description part. Like here I will give description as here you have to enter a number. Okay, so in this way you can give description whatever you want. Like I am giving here name as a field name, and if there is a name I am using for a field name, then by default your data type will be text. In the same way, if you want a paragraph like address is bigger, so if you want a more text, more lines for your text, so at that time you can take a memo data type. In memo data type you will get the more lines in your text. Okay, so these are, and these all data types I have explained you last time, that what is meant by OLE object, what is hyperlink, while taking a Zoom lecture. So in this way we can create a table in our database. Okay, so I hope that you understood all these things. Once again, yeah, your points are clear. So in this way we can create a table in our design view. Okay, now next point from this is that in creating table, from next point from creating table in design view is we have seen how to set the primary key last time, means how to set the primary key. If you want to set a primary key, as I told you that primary key is the unique key. unique key मतलब ऐसी की जो कि डुप्लीकेट वैल्यूज एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती है, उस की को क्या कहा जाता है, प्राइमरी की. सो प्राइमरी की हाउ यू कैन असाइन टू योर टेबल, एंड प्राइमरी की कैन ओनली बी असाइन टू ओनली one field name, only one field name within a table. Likewise, if in by going in design view, here in tools group you can see a primary key. As I clicked on a primary key, here you can see the symbol of a key. Okay, so primary key is assigned over here. In the same way, if you want to assign a primary key on a name field, it will not allow you, because you have already assigned it on a serial number. Okay, so I hope that you have got all this point, that how to assign a primary key. Your revision, you have done a revision again. Now हाउ टू इंसर्ट एंड डिलीट फिल्ड्स. ओके, अभी हमने ये फिल्ड्स तो बना ली है, पर समझो आपको बीच में कोई फिल्ड्स इंसर्ट करना है या कोई फील्ड डिलीट करना है, तो कैसे आप इंसर्ट या डिलीट करोगे. फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द फील्ड. लाइक आई वांट टू इंसर्ट अ फील्ड बिफोर एड्रेस. मुझे एड्रेस के पहले क्या करना है, एक फील्ड इंसर्ट करना है, और मैं भूल गई हूँ इंसर्ट करने का. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द फील्ड above which you want to insert again one field. जो फील्ड के ऊपर आपको एक और नई फील्ड इंसर्ट करना है, उसे सिलेक्ट कीजिए, लाइक वी डू इन एक्सेल. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू गो इन टूल्स ग्रुप. कहाँ जाना है, टूल्स ग्रुप, और यहाँ पे आपको इंसर्ट रो का ऑप्शन दिखेगा. कौन सा ऑप्शन, इंसर्ट रो. सो जस्ट क्लिक ओवर हियर एंड योर रो गेट इंसर्टेड. लाइक आई विल गिव हियर mobile number, and for mobile number I will select data type as a number, because numbers are random in a mobile in mobile number, like 9 0 6 5 3 4 9 8. So they are random numbers. In the same way, if you want to assign for data, which data type will be used for mobile number. Okay, now if you want to delete a row, अभी ये जो एड्रेस का रो बना है मुझे ये डिलीट करना है. फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, just again go in, select the row which you want to delete, go in design tab, click on delete row, and your row will be deleted. So in this way you can insert and delete row. You can set the primary key in creating by creating table in design view. Now let's see the next point from working with tables, that is creating table in datasheet view. Now, here I have written by mistake database, instead of database there should be datasheet. So how to, one way we have seen, that is creating table in design view. Now we have to see the second way, that is creating table in datasheet view. Okay, so how to create a table in datasheet view. For that again what we have to do, we have to go in create tab. Which tab, create tab. For creating table in datasheet view, the second way in which we have to create a table. Then after that what you have to do, you have to go click the create tab. After clicking on create tab, you have to click the table button. यहाँ पे टेबल नाम का बटन दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है. जैसे ही आपने टेबल बटन पे क्लिक किया, क्या हुआ, आपको यहाँ पे एक रेडीमेड टेबल मिल गया. So if you want to add a new column, how you can add a new column in this by default there is one column already created in datasheet view, that is a ID. Now you want to add a new field, like roll number I want to add. Just click on add new field, right click over here and say insert column. The new field will be added. Now you want to rename here column, field 1 है ना, rename करना है, तो क्या करो, राइट क्लिक एंड से रीनेम कॉलम. रीनेम पे जैसे ही आप क्लिक करोगे यहाँ पे आपको एक कॉलम दिखेगा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, आई एम गिविंग हियर number as roll number. After roll number again I want to add a new field, like right click over here and say insert column. I will give here field name as again click over here, right click and say rename it by clicking on rename and say full name. name. So in this way you can add a column over here and you can create your list over here. तो इस तरीके से आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपका टेबल फॉर्म कर सकते हो. नाउ इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड अ न्यू फील्ड ओवर हियर, अगर आपको अभी आपका समझो ये टेबल बन गया और आपको क्या करना है, एक फील्ड जैसे मैं यहाँ पे कुछ मार्क्स का डालती हूँ. आई एम राइट क्लिक ओवर हियर एंड सेइंग insert column, and here column I am giving name as rename and here English. Okay, now I want to insert one more column. From this we have from the second point, creating table in datasheet view. I hope that you understood that how to create a table in datasheet view. Just you have to go on a create, go in a table group and click on table. Your table will be already created. After this, here you will get the one field automatically will be available here after clicking on table, that is ID. We can't change this name. After that you can add a new fields over here like roll number, full name, English. These are the fields I have added over here. Now suppose from this that creating table in datasheet view, we want to see how to insert and delete fields. So how can you insert a field and how can you delete a field, new field, like we did in data design view, same way we have to see it in data sheet view. So I am just क्लिकिंग ओवर हियर, मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया है. अब मुझे क्या करना है, यहाँ पे न्यू शीट को क्या करना है, इंटर करना है, न्यू शीट इंसर्ट करना है. मैंने इसे सिलेक्ट किया और बोला इंसर्ट. आप देख सकते हो, यू कैन सी दैट न्यू शीट इज इंसर्टेड. लाइक आई एम गिविंग हियर जस्ट राइट क्लिक and rename. I am giving here field name as maths. Okay, so in this way you can create a sheet. Now you want to delete a field. Now you want to delete a field. Just right click, just click over here, go in data sheet tab and say delete. Your field will be deleted. So these are the two ways in which you can create your table. Now suppose you want to save your table, so how you can save your you want to save your table. So I have already shown you that how to save a table in data sheet view. Just right click over here and say save and your table will be saved. You will get a dialog box, write name over there like I have written result and my table is being saved. So here I hope that you understand that how to create a table in both the views, data sheet view and design view. Okay, now let's go with the next point from वर्किंग विथ टेबल, दैट इज ओपनिंग एन एग्जिस्टिंग टेबल. ओपनिंग एन एग्जिस्टिंग टेबल मतलब जो पहले हमने कुछ टेबल बनाए थे उसे फिर से खोलना, उसे क्या कहते हैं, ओपनिंग एन एग्जिस्टिंग टेबल. ओके, सो यू वांट टू ओपन अ टेबल which we have created earlier. So here just go over here. I have came back in my MS Access database. Now what I have to do, I have to open an existing table. मतलब पहला बनाया हुआ टेबल मुझे खोलना है, तो कैसे खोलूँगी, just I want to open a table from a table 1 and just right click over here and say open. मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया. I want to open a table which I have created previously. So right click over here and say open. So you can see that table got opened over here. So in this way you can open your existing table. नाउ एंटरिंग एंड एडिटिंग डेटा इन अ टेबल. अभी ये रिजल्ट नाम का टेबल बनाया है हमने, इसके अंदर आपको क्या करना है, डेटा इंटर करना है. क्या करना है, डेटा इंटर करना है. तो आप कैसे डेटा इंटर कर सकते हो इसके अंदर, फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, ओपन द टेबल रिजल्ट इन द डेटा शीट व्यू. डेटा शीट व्यू में क्या करना है, आपको टेबल खोलना है. तो ये डेटा शीट व्यू में खोलना है या डिज़ाइन व्यू में खोलना है, आप वो कहाँ जाके कर सकते हो, बाय गोइंग इन क्रिएट एंड okay. So here now your table is ready for taking for entering data. Now we have to enter and edit data in a table. So simply what you have to do over here, I am giving here number like 1. Here it's not getting here, but here 1, it's automatically taking 3. So here you can see it is, there is a pencil, I can edit it. 1, it's not taking, so let it be, doesn't mind. Now full name I have to enter like Tejaswini Ramaya. Okay, so I can increase the size of a table by here you can see a plus sign. By with this I can increase the size of a table. So in this way you can add a record in your table. Like here I am giving here again name like marks as 19. Okay, so in this way you can add a field in your table. Now if you want to edit some kind of data, अगर आपको edit करना है, simply क्या करो, यहाँ पे मुझे 3 नहीं चाहिए, यहाँ पे मुझे 4 चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे मैं 4 नहीं ले पा रही हूँ. why there is primary key already set. Okay, so here number will start from 3 and end at 4. ओके तो ये क्या है, ये ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे इन्होंने कर दिया है. ये ऑलरेडी MS एक्सेस का डिज़ाइन है कि जब ये यहाँ पे आपको ID नाम का एक रेडीमेड टेबल मिलेगा, तो ये कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा, 3 से स्टार्ट होगा और 4 पे एंड होगा. ओके, बट इन दिस इज द वे इन विच यू कैन this is the way in how you can add a data in your table. Like here I will add number 3 and here I will take some new name. So in this way I can take here names. I can enter my data over here in a data sheet view. Now this data can also be edited. Just what you have to do, for new record you have to click over here and your new record will be entered. Now when you are entering a data over here, जैसे मैं यहाँ पे data enter कर रही हूँ, can you see whenever you are entering a data in your data sheet view, what happens here, you automatically your cursors will change your symbol. Can you see here symbol, जब हम data इसके लिखते नहीं है ना तब स्टार रहता है, और जब हम लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, so it will move to the pencil. So whenever you are typing or whenever you are entering a record within a field, your symbol will be changed to pencil. Like here I am giving here name as J and here marks as 17. Okay, so in this way you can enter and edit data of a table. Now let's see how to delete a record from a table. How to delete a record from a table. Suppose I want to delete a record of a Kajal Agrawal. So how can I delete that? Just select that data and right click over here at the corner. You can right click over here, just right click and say delete record. So after that, just it is asking you, if you click yes, you won't be able to undo the delete operation. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Say yes and your data will be deleted. Now same way, if you want to navigate in a table, मतलब क्या करना है, जैसे नेविगेशन इन अ टेबल, एक जैसे हमारी नेविगेशन कीज होती है ना फॉर गोइंग लेफ्ट राइट टॉप बॉटम, सेम वे इफ यू वांट टू नेविगेट इन योर टेबल, you can here are the navigation keys, like this one is the current record, this one is the current record number, this one is the current record number, then this one this key is used for move to last record. अगर last record पे move करना है, you can see that as I clicked here we are moved on a last record. This is used for moving to the previous one, that is the first one. Then move to the moving to the first record, this key is used. If you want to move to the next, just click over here. If you want to go to the previous, click over here, you will move to the previous. Okay, then next one is add new record. If you want to add a new record, you can use this and you can add a new record. So here you can see that is new word is blinking. Now you here next, this one is the, here it is not appearing, but here horizontal scroll bar is there when we have more data, and here appears a vertical scroll bar when we enter a more data within a field. Okay, but it's not appearing because we have not entered a larger data, just हमने इतने तीन ही records डाले हैं, that's why horizontal and vertical scroll bars are not appearing over here. But vertical scroll bars are at this side and horizontal scroll bar is over here. Okay, for moving forward and backward, top and bottom. Now the last point from working with table is sorting records in a table. Sorting means what? Sorting means arranging a data in ascending and descending order is called as the sorting. So you want to sort a data. So how can you sort a data over here? Now you can see that the sequence is changed, the numbers are changed, but you want to arrange them, you want to sort the data. How you can sort the data? For that, what you have to do, just select one of the field which you want to sort. Like I have selected this field or I have selected this field and I want to sort the data over here. मुझे क्या करना है, यहाँ पे डेटा क्या करना है, sort करना है. So in home tab, can you see here A to Z and Z to A? A to Z means sorting your data in ascending to descending order, and Z to A means sorting your data in descending to ascending order. तो मुझे क्या करना है, इसको असेंडिंग टू डिसेंडिंग में करना है. जस्ट आई हैव क्लिक्ड ओवर हियर. तो आप देख सकते हो मेरा असेंडिंग टू डिसेंडिंग में मैथ्स के जो थे वो चेंज हो गए. सेम वे आई वांट टू descending to ascending. Same way you can do this for names as well. Just descending to ascending. So by going first you have to select a row or a field which you want to sort. After selecting that, just go in a home tab, sort and filter group, and from here you can sort your data in any of the way, that is ascending to descending or descending to ascending. Like here I have clicked ascending to descending, तो इस फॉर्म में सॉर्ट हो गया. अगर मैं ये कर रही हूँ, ये descending to ascending sort हो गया. So in this way you can sort your data. Okay, you can sort your record within a table. So here we have completed the third point from the chapter, that is working with tables as well. Means we have completed 3 points: database and database management system, Microsoft Access, working with tables. Now 3 points are remaining. We will see them in next video. Okay, so I hope that you understood all these things. If possible, do practice it at home, and if you are having any query, you can call me or you can message me in personal, not on a group. Message me in personal if you are having any kind of doubt related to this video. And I hope that your doubts are clear, that why I have created these groups. Okay, why I have sent this video to you. I hope that that doubt is clear of all of you. Okay, so thank you.